love the wood-lined floor bed. Let's check out this forest green Corvette. Pieces of history with a piece of history. Red and black. All right, here we go. Let it ride. There goes the El Camino. Wait, that's not an El Camino. That's a GMC Caballero. Love, love the patriotism. That's so awesome. So tell us about your ride here today.
1966 Chevelle Malibu SS 396. 4-speed car, 411 rear end. 17 years it took to build it. Off and on.
And how long have you had the car?
Since 1990, 35 years.
Wow.
Yep.
So this is your baby.
Yep.
This is all the original?
Yep. And the flames are PPG Deltron paint. The only paint to use.
Very nice.
It's got 3 colors faded into it. The car was originally that silver, and then I faded charcoal into purple on the flames. Get a better picture of it like that.
Thank you. Roll that dice, baby. electric blue. My daughter is a moth to the flame because she gravitates to the flames, man. It's got the flamed interior. Check out the view and the boats here at Washington Park. What a great venue, and they are actually having boat races today. Let's go check it out. Stepping on the beach of Lake Michigan. People are enjoying the lake water. You can see the boats that are lined up out there for the races. Gotta love the waves and the feeling of being on the beach. I am Poppin' PJ, and we are winding down this awesome car show. Let it ride. Gotta love the unique styles and the growls of the cars. Nothing like it. Till next time, let it ride.